of this circuit would be pleased to receive on behalf of the circuit and hand over to the DR, and the DR will do the distribution, my lord. So what we have here, we have the self-testing kit, which we are giving out with caution. Those who are here, we encourage them to go into the tent. And my lord, we also have the femidom, or the female condom, and also the male condom. We are not going to demonstrate how they are used because we have their leaflets. The instruction manuals are there, my lord, and we are dealing with an elite. Everyone knows how to read and write, and maybe some of the people here have ever experienced usage, so they will not get challenges, we hope. And my lord, the other things we give the materials, the education materials, information in the form of posters, in the form of stickers. You can stick it to your door, you can stick it to your car, and you spread the news, spread the gospel. Information is power, my lord. My lord, I don't know whether you would wish to say something to the circuit, but otherwise we would just hand over these materials, my lord.
On behalf of the circuit, I would like to thank you, Chairperson of the entire committee. I know you're representing. I want to thank you for taking out the time to be here today and for organizing also with the doctors and prisons and other stakeholders. The district has been here, the staff are here. It is very hot, but we are all committed to learning. So we thank you very much, and we hope that you come again to teach us more. Thank you.
Lord, we shall plan, since you have requested, we shall do a second trip. ABC is what you follow. These gadgets, use them if you must, but first abstain, be faithful, and use the gadgets if you cannot manage the first and the second.
We are going to request that the committee hands over items to the judge, and the judge will hand over items to the DR, who will distribute them in the circuit. That is both the female and male condoms plus the self-testing kit. And my lord, the items that are being given to you are information, communication, education materials that help people be informed about how to fight both HIV and fight stigma in our workplace. And finally, that is not finally, last but not least, we have the HIV workplace policy of the judiciary and some flies that we inform our staff the rights they have and the privileges of things that are given to them, help that is given to them should they declare. And this one, we have the condom dispenser, which is put in different places at our workplace policies. Should you pass by, you can pick 1, 2, or 3. Like they've said, please don't put in the bag. These are just representational. The rest will be delivered at the different courts. For the items around, we request all the magistrates present. The judge is handing over the same to the deputy registrar. The rest, the items that are we have here, we are requesting the in charge. Thank you, my lord. we are requesting the different judicial officers in charge and the office supervisors present, before you leave, please go with these items for your court. And then, and someone has reminded me, and put them to use. This is to remind you that the posters are for appealing on at court, and the stickers are to be used anywhere. It can even be on a car, can be sticked on a table, and so on.